I'm Elsie. I'm a mom, a host, and one half of A Beautiful Mess, a lifestyle brand that does a whole lot. Welcome to my home in Nashville, Tennessee. Over the years, we've created hundreds of DIY projects for families looking for a splash of fun. We've done everything from crib remodels, to playhouses, to bedrooms, and more. If you can prep your home for the little ones, you can widen your audience and increase your bookings. Here are my favorite tips to help you outfit your home to be family-friendly for kids of all ages. Add items to your home specifically for children and babies. We include a pack and play, a toy closet, a high chair, books, stuffed animals, and art supplies. We have this cute stuffed deer that everyone loves. He is really cute. Safety is important to parents. Here are a few small considerations that will go a long way. Create a space that feels cozy, but avoids having too much clutter. Watch out for glass coffee tables, big vases on the ground, glass knickknacks, and avoid furniture with sharp metal edges. Obviously. Anytime there's an extra good coffee situation, that means so much to me as a tired mom. If you can, upgrade your standard drip coffee machines to something a little more extra, because we can all appreciate that extra pep in our step. Visiting a new city with kids is a daunting task. To make it easier, add some kid-friendly call-outs to your guide. We created an artful takeaway map of Nashville that includes family-friendly and age-appropriate attractions for our guests. Think restaurants, museums, children's theaters, outdoor parks, and playgrounds you can enjoy together. Once you've made your home extra kid and family-friendly, be sure to call it out directly in your listing. Also, style some of your listing photos with these details to make it extra clear that your home is a happy place for families. Parents will love you for taking these extra steps to make your home more accommodating for them. I hope these tips help send even more bookings and babies your way. I'm Elsie of A Beautiful Mess, and I'm a host in Nashville, Tennessee. Happy hosting!